Pluto, the rock and ice dwarf planet. Did you know that Pluto isn't a planet? Inside Pluto is rock. It takes Pluto 248 years to go around the solar system. Pluto has 3 moons. The 3 moons are called Charon, Nix, and Hydra. Pluto is made out of rocks and ice. Robot sitting in front of Pluto by an alien. By Aaron.
Magnificent Mars. You are going to look at 5 facts about Mars. Mars is a rocky planet with a dry, dusty land. Spacecraft has visited Mars more times than any other planet. It takes Mars 687 days to travel around the sun. The biggest volcano and canyon are on Mars. A trip to Mars from Earth takes about 6 months. We Are in Mars by Aaliyah.
Positively perfect Pluto. Did you know there are 9 planets including Pluto? It is black, blue, and yellow. 3 moons called Charon, Nix, and Hydra. Neptune is before Pluto, core of rock and metal, made of rock and ice, the escape of Pluto by Audrey.
Amazing Saturn. Facts about Saturn. It is yellow and gold, and the rings are red. In the middle, it is rock and ice. It has 62 moons. Saturn is 6th from the sun. To get around the sun, it takes 30 years, 10 hours, and 45 minutes. It's a Robot Near Saturn by Emily.
About Earth. Fantastic Earth facts. Earth is the 3rd planet away from the sun. Earth is the only planet with people. Blue, green, and white. 365 days to go around the sun. Near Mars and Venus. About robot in space lost its arm. Planet Earth by Amelia.
The ring Saturn. Facts about the ring Saturn. There is rock in the ring. There are 3 moons. There is rock and ice in the planet. It takes 30 years to get around the sun. The 6th planet from the sun. Your Saturn by Isabella.
Pluto has peace. Did you know Pluto is a dwarf planet? Pluto is made of rock and ice. Inside of Pluto is a rocky core. Pluto has 3 moons. Pluto is the 9th planet from the sun. A year on Pluto is the same as 248 years on Earth. The Big Bad Robot and the 3 Little Aliens by Isabel.
Venus, the very hot planet. Facts about Venus. Venus is between Mercury and Earth. Venus has a core, mantle, and a crust. The core is made of iron and nickel. It has no moons. Mons is a volcano. It is brown and red with clouds. Friends in Space by Joseph.
Pluto, the dwarf planet. Do you know Pluto used to be a planet? Pluto looks dusky. It has 3 moons named Charon, Nix, and Hydra. Pluto has a rocky core. Pluto is a dwarf planet. Pluto is located under Neptune. Pluto with the Robot by Kara.
Saturn the ring. Saturn is a spinning planet. Saturn is big and giant. It has 3 moons. Saturn is light on one side and dark on the other side. Saturn takes 30 years to go around the sun. Saturn has a little ball inside of it. It is called It is all different colors. It is called the inner core. The big robot with the aliens by Kylie.
Facts about the awesome Mars. Did you know Mars has 2 moons? The ancient Romans named Mars. Each moon is the size of a small town. It has the highest known volcano. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun. Mars is a rocky planet. Me and You Heading to Awesome Mars by Kira.
Nipping Neptune. Neptune is really cold. Neptune is dark blue. The inside of Neptune is a solid rocky core. Neptune has 13 moons or more. Neptune is the last planet in the solar system. It takes Neptune 165 years to go around the sun. The Very Bad Robot and the Very Scared Alien by Luke.
The Amazing Saturn. I'm going to tell you 5 facts of Saturn. Saturn has many colors. It has a ring. Saturn has a ball that has gas. Saturn looks like it has stripes. Gas clouds make yellow and gold lines around the planet. Sisters and Moms in Space, Seeing Saturn by Morgan.
Perfect Pluto. Did you know Pluto is a dwarf planet? Pluto looks like rock. There is ice and rock in Pluto. Pluto has 3 moons. Pluto is next to Neptune. Pluto takes 248 Earth years to go around the sun one time. Seeing Pluto by Nathan.
Blue Uranus. 5 facts about Uranus. Uranus has no solid surface. Most of Uranus is soupy. Uranus has at least 27 moons. Its atmosphere has methane gas. Uranus rotates around the sun. A core of ice and rock is deep inside this planet. Aliens and Robots Attacking by Sydney.
Pluto, the dwarf planet. Facts about Pluto. Pluto is small, white, and blue. Pluto is made of rocks and ice. Pluto moves slow. It takes 248 years for Pluto to rotate around the sun. Pluto is on Neptune's right. A Robot in Space by Tanner.
Hot tip Venus. Facts about Venus. Round, red, hot crust orbited Venus in the early 1990s. A few spacecraft had actually landed. It is second from the sun. Venus is a core melted and crust. The core is made of iron and nickel. Venus is really hot by Walt.
The Jumping Jupiter. Information about Jupiter. Jupiter's atmosphere is made of gas. It has 60 moons. Jupiter has a solid rock core, and it has a solid surface. It takes 12 years to go around the sun. Aliens in the Solar System by Zachary.